Hey, what's up? A little adventure today while my son is in school. Got the inflatable paddleboard here and a different motorcycle. If you've seen my other videos, you will have noticed I used to ride a Sportster chopper and I sold that. So now I have a 1980 Honda CB900 custom shaft drive, full fairing, tape deck. Got the 4-in-1. Got some modification ideas for this bad boy, but that'll happen over the winter time. Right now, I'm gonna ride from Worcester to the Nashoba Valley Watershed Trails, where there's a little hike into a really nice area of water. Put this thing in there, float around for a little bit, clock back into dad mode. Okay, so I'm loaded up, a little ridiculous, but doesn't feel too bad. There we go, let's hit the road. Well, it's definitely not very easy to ride like this because this thing is like pushing my helmet forward, but now there's a little hike down this path to a small lake, small body of water. I don't know if I would call it a lake, but let's go float around in the water. The weather lately has been pretty amazing. It's like 55, 60 in the morning, and then gets up to about 80 right after midday. So it is going to be chilly. The water's probably going to be freezing, and it might be a little bit of a damp ride home, but the sun will be shining. I'll probably dry off pretty quick, plus all the wind. So it's nice to come out here by myself and just walk around. But you know, I got a small window from like 9 to latest 2 p.m. I got to be back. Go and pick up River, clock into dad mode, but it's only like 10:30 right now, so I'm chilling. I'm gonna hang out for maybe 45 minutes on the water, and then get back on the bike. Probably home by 1:30. There's a little beach over here. This is pretty good. I go over to that little island, smoke a joint. Let's do this. Not bad. You guys hear anything? I don't hear anything. This is the shit I like to do. Now it's hot. I mean, now I could get in the water for sure. That island over there, and I'll do just that. Back to the bike. Oh, there's people over there. Don't steal my stuff. So there you have it. A short elemental adventure. Road, wind, water, fire. Corny. Look at this fucking shit. It's beautiful out here.